Miss Maxine, with all due respect, because over here, so, I'm pretty sure say you're older than enough of we over here so in a this local corner of Facebook. And me think say you should be the one who should push peace and not war. Because right now you push war. You add fire to fury. What you do, I am so disappointed in you. How could you come out and talk that you were the one who was sending Erica information about Chris in order for Erica cuss Chris? I saw you unhappy. I saw you miserable. I saw you frustrated. I saw you confused in your little world. I am a blogger, so when you come out and say certain things, me I go talk about it and me I go address it and me I go call it exactly like how me see. Jesus in heaven, no. If Erica come and Erica use you as a map to wipe the floor with you, I have nothing to say. Because what you do was foul. How can you build up controversy, animosity, and strife in a this little corner of Facebook amongst us? Why would you do that? At your big old age, you think say you should draw closer to God. You have your friend them, and that is fine. You like who you like and you support who you support. They were there for you. I appreciate that, and I thank God say you find somebody who could have pulled you up because you were falling and they could have pulled you up. And I thank God for that, and I appreciate that. I might not like the person, but I appreciate the fact that you found a friend in that person where she could have helped you. That may give God thanks for, because nobody should be at a point of no return. You understand? So the fact that she was there for you, I appreciate that. And I thank God for that. But on the same hand, birds of a feather flock together. Like-minded people attract to them one another. You understand? Me say on a look clique, and that's fine. You can have on a look clique. You don't look on a clique, but you leave people who mind them own business alone. Leave them alone. The people them wanna call, they wanna talk about and chastise, they not pay no mind. They go about them business. Let me ask you one question, Miss Maxine. Didn't Miss Dana forgive you? Uno have no look a riff, uno look a tiff, uno look a problem, uno look a argument, misunderstanding or whatever. I wanna talk. I wanna come to some sort of agreement and they say, okay, we're going to forgive and we're going to move on. Mrs. says she forgive and she move on and she'll live her life. And you know, so you never forgive her. You never forgive her. You see what is happening? There's a clear difference between both of you. You see where you are and look where she is. I'm going to call her name Miss Dana. Look where she is. Look, just open your eyes and look. Because even though you say you forgive her, you never do it. You say it with words, but it never come from here, so. But for her, it come from in here, so. And that's why she flourish. That's why she prosper. That's why doors are being opening up to her. Because she forgive and she let it go. That is the meaning of forgiveness. You forgive and you let go. You know what I mean? Say you forget. You forgive and you move on. As the mother say, God no pour into a dirty vessel. It has to be clean. So because she let it go and she move on, God a pour into her vessel. That is what is happening now. And when you no see it, you no fight, you no get jealous, you no get upset. But you no see what go on, you no want to look a ring. None of you no move from which part you no there. It's like you no stagnant because you no want to let it go. You no have too much anger, hatred, jealousy, and envy. All this back and forth and backbiting. You feed Erica information at this point. I not even know if it is true or if it is false. I not go over this, go find out what Erica say. Because sometimes when Erica cuss, boy and cuss, she cuss dog right and do. I follow her and, you know, me listen to her sometimes because I like her story, I like her journey. You know, she quite, you know, motivating and inspiring because of her journey, and I like her story. You understand? She not hide her story, and I respect her for that. She not hide her past. Her past make me learn from fear past as well. That's why I not like when people fight people down for them past, because your past teach lessons. And her past teach lessons because I sit down and listen to her and I learn lessons. Erica, even at the other day, you come and you cuss Chris dog rotten. Me see the video them lately. And that wasn't called for, it wasn't warranted, and it wasn't needed. I agree that you support Mr. Handsome, and yet me see your loyalty, and me love loyalty. Me love how you ride for him. But you see, you can ride for the person, and you can look at the situation and say, boy, in this case, you know, you did wrong, such and such, and you're right. You know, you still support the person. You know, mean say you're gonna neglect them. That's your friend. So you're gonna be true. You're gonna tell them, say, boy, me look on the whole situation and such and such and such, and be fair. But you still love him, and you still ride for him, and you still support him, because that is your friend. He's been there for you in time of need. You get me? But what you did with Chris, I'm telling you, it was not fair and it was not nice. Because let me tell you something. Listening and understanding is so important. And I genuinely think that you misunderstood what Chris said. What Chris said on his live, and this doesn't have anything to me, anything at all. It doesn't mean because me like Chris, me I go pick up for Chris. Because people feel like, so, okay, me only pick up for people when me like. No, because if you're wrong, you're wrong. But in this case, me I go tell you, based on the few lives then when me watch of you, like me I take time and I catch up on certain little things. Me did see Chris live, what Chris say, if I was in the position of Mr. Handsome, if I did, actually, he said, if I did him,